Welcome back to Explaining Everything, the channel where we dive into the stories and mysteries behind everyday things. Today's question comes from one of our curious viewers at Spaghetti Wizard 99. Thanks for the suggestion, Spaghetti Wizard. You asked, why does your stomach growl when hungry? If you've ever been sitting in a silent room, minding your own business, when suddenly your stomach decides to announce its hunger to the world, you're not alone. But why does it do this? Is it an internal alarm system? A tiny gremlin demanding snacks? Or is your stomach just incredibly dramatic? Let's find out. Right here on Explaining Everything. First, the official term for stomach growling is borborygmus, which sounds like a spell from Harry Potter. Borborygmus. Congrats, you just summoned hunger demons. It happens when your intestines contract to move food, gas, and fluids through your digestive tract. Even if your stomach is empty, your gut still keeps things moving, which is why you can hear those rumbles loud and clear. Your stomach growls because of gas and fluids moving through your digestive tract. It's like a plumbing system, but instead of water rushing through pipes, it's a mix of digestive juices and air sloshing around in your intestines. Your digestive system is a party, just without snacks. Sometimes it's your body's way of reminding you to eat, but it can also happen after a meal as digestion continues. The louder the growl, the more dramatic your stomach is about it. So, why does it mostly happen when you're hungry? Well, your stomach isn't just sitting there twiddling its digestive thumbs. It's always working, even when you're not eating. Every couple of hours, your digestive system does a little housekeeping. This process, called the migrating motor complex, or MMC, sends waves of muscle contractions down your stomach and intestines. Think of it as a Roomba for your gut, clearing out leftover food, mucus, and rogue Lego pieces you swallowed as a kid. Now, when your stomach is empty, the MMC doesn't stop. It just gets louder. It's like your gut turning up the volume, going, "Hey, it's been a while since we've had food in here. Maybe you forgot? Maybe you're lost? I'm just going to remind you." Loudly. But why does it have to be so loud? Why can't it be a polite little whisper instead of a full-blown opera solo? Well, when your stomach is empty, there's more room for sound to echo. It's like yelling in an empty house versus yelling into a pillow. More space, more sound. Plus, there's gas involved. The movement of air through your intestines amplifies the noise, like a fart's cousin, but sneakier. The stronger the muscle contractions in your digestive tract, the louder the sound becomes. And if you're hungry, your brain signals your gut to start moving, which only adds to the growling drama. Now, just because your stomach is growling doesn't mean you're on the verge of starvation. Your body is just letting you know it's time for a snack. It's a natural part of digestion, keeping things moving even when you're not actively eating. Sometimes it's just your gut going through its regular cleaning cycle, pushing out leftover food and gas. Fun fact, stomach growling happens all the time, even when you're not hungry. It's just way quieter when there's food in your belly to muffle the sound. It's like putting a blanket over a barking dog. Doesn't stop it completely, but it helps. That's why growling tends to be louder a few hours after a meal when your stomach and intestines are mostly empty. So next time it happens, don't panic. You're not starving, just digesting. Can you stop your stomach from growling? Well, kinda. Here's what you can do. Eat something. The simplest fix. Food stops the noise by giving your stomach something to work on, like giving a dog a bone to chew instead of barking at the mailman. Drink water. This can help fill your stomach and muffle the sound, like adding water to a noisy washing machine. Chew gum. This tricks your body into thinking you're eating, slowing down the stomach's urge to start up the hunger orchestra. Avoid too much air. Eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or talking a lot while eating can add more gas to your system, making the growling even louder. Sometimes it feels like your stomach chooses the worst moments to growl, like during a test, a date, or a job interview. But your stomach isn't out to get you. It's just doing its job, loudly, inappropriately, but still just doing its job. Think of it like a dog barking when it's hungry. It's just reminding you, hey, it's feeding time, human. The louder it gets, the more persistent the reminder, especially if you've been skipping meals or haven't eaten in a while. But sometimes it growls even when you're not hungry, just to keep things moving in your digestive system. So, the next time your stomach decides to start beatboxing in a silent room, just remember, it's not a sign of starvation. It's not a betrayal. It's just biology at work. And if anyone stares at you, just tell them, oh, that's just my internal pet dragon. He gets cranky when he's hungry. Honestly, stomach growls are just another weird and wonderful thing our bodies do without us even thinking about it. Whether it's a quiet grumble or a full-on concert, it's just your digestive system doing its thing. So, embrace the growl. After all, it's proof that your body is keeping everything running smoothly. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.